News Technology is sponsored by Surfline.
Hello, and thank you for joining me on another edition of News Technology, proudly brought to you in association with Surfline. And I am Ignatius. And also, if you are a living thing on earth, I'm sure many times you feel like, okay, I'm tired, I don't want to work. Or there are times you wake up in the morning and you don't feel energized to do absolutely nothing. Or there are also times you feel that you're so hyper and you want to calm yourself down. Alcohol is not a trick. Tell you what, technology, science, and innovation is thinking ahead. There's a new technology that has been developed in town today that when you wear, it would send electric current into the brain for 15 minutes, help you focus your energy, or empower you, energize you literally, or in the other case, calm you down to do exactly what you want to do. That's the story I bring to you. Very exciting. I mean, when I saw the story today, I was like, okay, there are times I wake up and I don't want to do nothing. But if I get the opportunity to wear this for 15 minutes, I'm told I get my energy back to get things running.
Really?
Yes.
But I don't really go for it. I'm not really in this because you know, when you're tired,
are you a doomsayer or something?
No, you know, your body has nerves. Your muscles are made up of nerves and neurons, you know, which send sensitive information to your brain.
Absolutely.
When you are tired,
Absolutely.
they send information to your brain
Absolutely.
that you are tired. So the body must rest. So now, with this, that means that you are sending a counter information to the brain that you are not tired, so work.
Yes.
So you go on and work, and you know, it can break down. It can lead to nervous
And there are
breakdown.
days if you don't want to do anything, you just don't want to do anything. You
I'm
don't need an
telling you.
energizer to do that.
I tell you, but with this energizer, well, there are days, yes, you don't want to do nothing.
Yeah.
But with this magic behind us on our screen, that will change.
Let's see how it works.
You know, there are times you want to pray, you don't feel like praying. You want to.
So it's going to energize you to
I
pray.
am telling
Come
you,
on.
that's the magic behind the story. So have more, excite yourself shortly on this update.
Brain stimulation is a very real but still unproven area of technology for tinkering with the human brain. For decades, scientists have experimented with sending electrical currents through subjects' skulls to their brain to do everything from treating serious mental disorders like depression to improving memory and learning. Now Silicon Valley is hoping it can't turn brain stimulation tech into sleek wearable devices for consumers. Is it really possible to make the jump from the lab to Best Buy shelves? The latest company to attempt to create a consumer brain stimulation product is Think, a startup with a serious pedigree. Founded by entrepreneur Icy Goldwasser and neuroscientist Jamie Tyler, who has a PhD in psychology and behavioral neuroscience, Think has been working on its device secretly for the past 3 years. It's a portable headset that will offer 3 settings to start: energy, relaxation, and focus. One of the primary technologies uses a weak electrical current to change the sensitivity of neurons in the brain. Neurons are cells in the brain that send electrical signals to each other, resulting in the release of chemicals that impact what a person is thinking or feeling. When targeted to the right areas, the current can create changes in how a person's brain is functioning. With the potential to replace everything, including a soda habit, yoga class, or pharmaceuticals for mental disorders, the market for brain stimulation devices that are proven to work is potentially huge. The US military has even experimented with it as a way to improve pilot training. Think is focusing on small improvements for already healthy minds. Even with a number of respected studies on brain stimulation, it's still not clear if these techniques have an impact. Think has already tested its products on more than 2,000 people in as many fields. After using Think, the subjects answer questions about how they feel and the researchers measures their vitals. If it wants FDA approval down the line, Think will need to go through extensive clinical trials. Think plans on having its first product ready by 2015. The California-based company recently secured $13 million in venture capital funding.
All right, so I'm sure right now you have your fears, you have your concern. Okay, Keep them, but let's share them as much as possible. I'll continue to update you on that story, which, you know, is generating some interesting discussion already in my studio. But that's it for News Technology. Proudly brought you in association with Surfline. Visit them at their Osu and East Legon office, or visit www.surflinegh.com. I am Ignatius, and on Friday again, I'll bring you the latest story making headlines in the world of science and technology. Thank you for watching.